everyone, so today's video is on easy ways to transform your winter outfit, and I'm not saying you have to do these things or that there's a particular right and wrong, but I just wanted to show you some different ways on styling things that you probably already have. So I really hope you enjoy this video and let's get into it. So the first tip you can do to transform your look is to belt your outerwear, and you can do this with pretty much any style of coat really. Just take a statement belt and wrap it around your waist and the coat, and it gives you a completely different look. It's such a good way to dress up your outfit and make it look more stylish. And then here I'm just showing you with a denim jacket and a chain belt. You can really mix it up and use different styles of belts to get different looks. I'll leave links to all of the items in the description box. So the next hack is to match your accessories, and when I do this I always try and stick to 2 items. So here I'm switching my Timberland boots to a pair of white heeled boots and this bobble hat, and I picked a white because there's a little bit of white in my jacket. I just think by matching them it just ties the whole look together. I love an all black look, but I sometimes want to add a little bit of colour to it. So a good way to do this instantly is to just switch your black jeans for a blue pair. You can see here how it has just completely changed the look, but you could also just change your shoes to add some colour too. So I've just switched my black boots for a neutral pair. But yeah, blue jeans are a great way to break up a dark outfit. One of my favourite ways to style a winter outfit is to wear all one colour, but different shades of it. So here I'm wearing a jumper and trousers that are in a pink beige colour, and I've just picked a beige hat to go with it, and then to break it up a little bit I've put on my brown teddy coat. And I just think wearing all one colour palette can instantly make you look more fashionable, and it's such an easy thing to do too. Another tip for winter styling would be to layer your jackets. So instead of just wearing one, to get extra warmth, it's a great idea to layer them. So here I've just started with a denim jacket, and then I've put my boyfriend coat over the top, and I just love doing this because you can just take a coat off or rest it on your shoulders and you can get a completely different look too. When it's freezing outside, you just want to dress comfy and warm. So if you're wearing a pair of joggers but you don't want to look too underdressed, pick a smart coat like a boyfriend coat to go over the top, and by putting on a smart long jacket, it just instantly dresses the look up. So you can feel super comfy but also look really stylish too. I'd absolutely love to know what your winter style tips are, so please leave them down in the comments. And don't forget about your accessories. You can instantly change the look of an outfit by picking different colours. You could go for a really light coloured scarf and hat to brighten a look up even more. Or you could go for dark coloured accessories to break up a very light outfit. You can do so much with just a hat and a scarf. It's amazing really. So that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that it helped you or inspired you in some way. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if it did, because that would honestly mean so much to me. Let me know your thoughts in the comments as always. Have a great day, and I will speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.